Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection problem in Xiaomi 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option more connectivity option. Now click on it. After clicking on it, scroll down and here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and then in last you can see the option reset settings. If you want to fix your problem, then simply click on reset settings and it will be reset all your Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth. So this is the way to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection problem in Xiaomi 14T. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.